Hello, I am host of Tips and Tricks channel. Let's start the video. The ultimate guide to minting health and work. Step-by-step tutorial. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic. Minting health and work. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll explore effective strategies that can help you achieve a perfect balance between your well-being and professional life. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into the specific steps, it's important to emphasize that minting health and work requires a holistic approach. It's not just about physical fitness or career success, it's about finding harmony between the two. With that in mind, let's jump right into step 1. The first step towards minting health and work is to clarify your priorities. Take some time to reflect on what matters most to you in terms of your well-being and professional goals. Are you seeking a promotion, more work-life balance, or better health? Understanding your priorities will guide your decisions and actions moving forward. Once you've identified your priorities, it's time to set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, a SMART goal could be to exercise for 30 minutes, 5 times a week, to improve fitness levels. When your goals are well-defined, it becomes easier to track your progress and stay motivated. To effectively manage your time between work and personal well-being, it's essential to create a schedule. Allocate dedicated time slots for work tasks, self-care, exercise, family time, and other important activities. By sticking to a schedule, you'll be able to maintain a healthy work-life balance and avoid burnout. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial for minting health and work. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. This can include activities like exercising, practicing mindfulness or meditation, getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and maintaining social connections. Remember, when you prioritize self-care, you enhance your productivity and overall well-being. Boundaries are vital for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Set clear boundaries between your work and personal life. Avoid checking work emails or engaging in work-related activities during your personal time. Communicate your boundaries to your colleagues and managers to ensure everyone respects your personal space and time. Minting health and work can be challenging, so don't hesitate to seek support. Talk to trusted friends, family, or colleagues about your struggles and goals. Consider finding a mentor or coach who can provide guidance and accountability. Remember, seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our tutorial on minting health and work. By following these steps and staying committed to your well-being, you'll find the perfect balance between your health and professional life. Remember, it's an ongoing journey, so be patient with yourself and make adjustments along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, take care and stay minted. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. If you like, hit the like button, and if you are new, then subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye for now.